This is it. Off we go. Can't believe it. Honestly can't believe it. Actually starting a European tour. Never thought, for some reason, that I'd be doing it. Pretty daunting, to be honest, if I've not packed anything at this point. It's not important, is it? The reason I didn't think I was taking too much, to be honest, and then suddenly my bags became very full. So we're on our way to Hull. I'm getting the Hull ferry, obviously because the bike can't swim, to Rotterdam with a nice ferry. Start the big trip to Germany tomorrow, so it's just literally blitzing through Netherlands, Belgium, tiny bit of Luxembourg, France. Gonna go, there's a mountain pass in France, Col de la Schultz or something, I don't know, I can't speak French. But yeah, we'll do that. Alright mate, pop that flower. Do a bit of that in France, make the most of having to go through France, because I'm not really that interested, but more fool me probably, what do I know. Onto the Black Forest. That's Tuesday, and then work my way north basically. Heidelberg, do a bit of the Mosel Valley. Trying to brush up on my German. Can't say it's gone that well, but most of the words are alright. Most of it sounds like English, so yeah. I'm conflicted. Like, it was hard to leave, to be honest, but now that I'm going, distracted by the riding and stuff, you know, feels a bit better. So yeah, it's Sunday. I'm going to call this day 0 because I don't know, it's not really part of the Euro tour, I guess, but you've got to get through the boring bit. Nice day for it though. It was meant to be raining. When I was looking at the weather leading up to the day and stuff, it's supposed to be raining, but it's absolutely sound. Now I don't know. I think it's a bit dicey when I get into Europe. Could be a bit showery and stuff, but you got to take the rough with the smooth, haven't you? You just got to do it. So yeah, I'll start recording again when it's a bit more interesting, because this is just going to be motorways the whole way to Hull. So yeah, see you soon. You join me on the M62 in a 30 miles per hour average speed zone. The weather's beautiful. The traffic is slow. Jesus. I mean, I'm not making bad time. It's not like I'm late, but I'd rather not be doing 30 miles per hour. But I don't make the rules. What's this? What's this view? It's really flat. Like, I can't get over, to be honest, how flat it is on the... I don't really know if I'm on the east of England yet. I kind of am. I'm near Howden, so it's so flat. Like, I don't know, if you're a hiker, you don't want to be on the east of England, do you? Just none of that. Yeah, so I'm not a Hull yet, obviously, but I am apparently 20 something mile away, which is nice. This bit of the trip's actually gone really, really quick. Has not felt like 2 hours. Yeah, pointless information over. See ya. The Humber Bridge, I think. God, what a beast. What a beast. Yeah, I'm going on a tour to Europe, and the thing I'm fascinated about is a fucking bridge in the UK. Get a grip, Andy, get a grip. There we are. Hull. Made it. There's the ship, obviously. really much to see. It's just a queue of bikes, which is cool. But yeah, looks like we're last on or something. Who knows? I don't know. Here we go on the ferry. Woo! Don't know what I'm doing. Sardines.